We have on this side the connector that goes into the light bar. You have to push in a little button here. To remove this, push and pull out. And then you can see that there is a flat side to it. And it really just means that it's only going to go in one direction. Push it in until you hear the click, and you know that's good. We have a black button next to it. The middle is off. One side is high, and the other side is low. And it basically refers to the pink full spectrum lighting. So middle off, one side is high, the other side is low. On this side, we have the power button in red. And we also have the plug for the power. Plug for the power is a standard outlet. This is 5 volts. And it plugs into there. We keep this black piece on one side. And that is a sort of a strain relief. There's going to be some other pieces that we're attaching onto this to help keep everything out of the way and nice and pretty looking.